Hey there, I'm Katie and this is today's AFI DIY. Today we're making shampoo bars. Shampoo bars produce less waste than regular shampoos in plastic bottles and they're super convenient for travel. Let's take a look at the recipe. For supplies you will need a silicone soap mold, a double boiler, a spray bottle with rubbing alcohol. For ingredients you'll need 91.10% or 1/2 pound cubed goat's milk, melt and pour soap base, 3.95% or 2 teaspoons of castor oil, 1.98% or 1 teaspoon of shea butter, 1 to 2 spritz of rubbing alcohol, 2.97% or 1/2 tablespoon of fragrance. AFI is sure to have the perfect fragrance for whatever you're making. For today's DIY, we went with pink sugar. This smells so sweet. I love it. Because this product will be applied to your scalp, check the formulates on whatever fragrance you choose, just to be sure it's skin safe. All right, let's begin. Place your melt and pour soap base into the double boiler and let it melt. Next, remove from the heat and add the shea butter, castor oil, and your fragrance. Stir well and pour the mixture into your soap mold. Pro tip, spray with rubbing alcohol to prevent air bubbles. Let cool for 4 to 6 hours, then remove your shampoo bars from the mold. That's it, your shampoo bars are ready to go. This DIY cost us just over $1. One bar can be sold wholesale for 2 to 3 and retail for 6 to 8. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out our DIY and conditioning bars. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!